What's going on, everybody? So I got the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310 LX jet ski, and I made my first jet ski modification for some storage, fishing rod holders, and a cooler. So anyways, give you a little walkthrough on this. Okay, so for my fishing rod holders, I went and I used some plastic 1 1/4 house plumbing piping. Drilled a couple holes, went through the cooler itself. This cooler here doesn't have the straps or hold downs on the lid, so I made my own. So this strap here is from the tie down straps. So I didn't need really long tie down straps, so I was able to trim them and then use another piece up there. I found this buckle clip for like a life vest or tying up your sleeping bag or something along them lines, book bag, whatever. So I got some of them. Use the same strap to hold the cooler down. These tie downs here, they're at a Jeep Renegade. They got a track system in them in the Jeeps to hold your luggage down in the back hatch. Anyways, this track here is a 10 mil track system, and those are 13 mil. So I had to file these down a little bit just to make them slide in. They don't clamp secure in place, but once the straps are in place, it pulls this up a little bit and it kind of locks it into place. I don't think it's really going to go anywhere. I think it's going to be pretty secure. Now, inside the cooler looks a little bit gaudy. I got bolts coming through everywhere. I'm going to trim these up. So I'm going to trim them back some and then maybe get some little rubber pieces and put over top, or some heat shrink tube and just kind of slide it over the end of the bolt and then warm the heat shrink tube up so it's not as sharp or gouges you in the arm or something along them lines. So I'm going to trim all these up, and that one I used a rounded cap bolt. It has a square on the other side, so it kind of locks it into place on the cooler, which works great. So that's my custom fishing cooler. Kawasaki makes a basket for the back with 4 fishing rod holders in it, but they're on back order, so I'm waiting for one of those. So I made this in the time being so I can get out on the water, get some fishing. Maybe some catch and cook videos. A buddy of mine gave me some foam that's over there against the air tank. So I might divide this cooler up. One side will be a dry section. The other side will be a wet section or a cool section or something along them lines. I bought a camping set. Might possibly throw that in there, or I'm going to put it in the bow of the boat, bow of the jet ski. And yeah, it's pretty neat. So I can have my rod kind of hanging out some, or I can have it straight up and down when I'm traveling. Either or works. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and for some future content, we also picked up a 3-seater tube that might be able to pull. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to pull behind the jet ski. So I'll do a review and an unboxing and how the jet ski pulls that. Should be all kinds of fun. Anyways, hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.